Hello and welcome to IOCODES. Welcome to a complete beginner programming course. And in this course, we'll be making use of the Java programming language. This course follows a convention that takes into consideration that you may be new to programming, you have no prior knowledge of what programming is really all about. So for this course, I'll be starting from the very first basics. And even if you are coming over from from another programming language, this course is also for you. Now I've split the whole of the course into different sections. As you can see on my screen, we have the introduction section. Now look at basic programming in Java, controls of program, array variables and algorithm, method, interfaces and lambda, classes and objects and what they are. Then we look at our final project, which is a math quiz project. And in addition to all of this, I pretty much have a website that is associated with this YouTube channel. I'll pull this up right now. So we have learn at iocodes.com. I'll be providing the link to this website in the video description. And all of my videos, pretty much all of them on YouTube, you can find them on this website. Mostly the ones that have been arranged into playlists. For now, I have just introduction to recursion, which is a data structure and algorithm playlist in the channel. So for now, I'm here to upload the course on my website, but hopefully before you get to see this video, this course will be on the website already. So you can click on start learning just to take you to the next page. Here we have the different topics inside of this particular course, and you can start learning. Yes, this is the introduction page. So you get to see my video on this part. You can click on it and you can move over to the next topic and also take quizzes. The reason for this is we have to put into practice what we've learned in each subsequent video or each subsequent section in the series. That's the only way you get good at programming, keeping up and practicing what you've learned so far. So I'm going to close this now and we'll move back to our presentation. So we have it on the screen. So with that stated, let us look at the introduction part of the series.